This Shopify coffee brand improves AI visibility in just 45 days and getting 500 plus orders from AI discovery channels. Not on Google, not on Instagram ads, AI search, ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Shop, AI shopping recommendation. Let me show what we did. Watch till the end because you will learn how you can improve your own AI visibility to drive more sales. This is PureEatiz, a Shopify coffee brand selling premium instant coffee, hazelnut, espresso, mocha, classic, vanilla. Just 2 months ago, their product barely showed up inside ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. Ask AI for coffee recommendation. They weren't in the answer. Today, AI platform clearly understand their product, their pricing, their review, their attribute, and it's translating into real sales. So what actually changed? We optimize their entire Shopify stores for AI search visibility. And here is why this matters right now. Most Shopify brands are still only focused on traditional SEO and ads. Shopping behavior is changing fast. People now ask the AI assistant for product recommendation instead of searching through Google result. And the brand optimized for AI search get recommended first. But here is the catch. AI platform don't read your product data like a human does. They read structured product data, product categories, reviews, schema markup. If your Shopify catalog looks incomplete, AI just ignore your product no matter how good they are. So here is exactly what we fixed for PureEatiz. Number 1. Shopify Catalog Mapping. We optimized their category metafield properly. Inside Shopify, we added structured product attributes. We also clean up their product metafield, product title, coffee detail, ingredient information, everything. And this is based on Shopify's AI storefront optimization checklist. If you want your product showing up in AI search, here is what you need. First, you need to do complete store policies, then enable agentic storefront channels, then audit your product data and set up Shopify Catalog Mapping, then install a Shopify knowledge base app and set up FAQs, then verify your discovery files, then check your robot.txt and monitor AI attributes. Most Shopify stores skip every single one of these. That's exactly why their products never show up in AI search. Number 2. Schema with reviews and rating. We added structure markup so AI platform can read pricing, availability and star rating directly from the page code. For reviews specifically, we use review product reviews to collect and structure their rating. One of the standout feature here, UCP catalog support. If you are still on Judge Me or another product review app, this is genuinely worth it for switching for. And migrating from other apps is very easy. If you migrate your reviews using the link below, you get 25% of the enterprise plan. $14 a month, unlimited reviews. There is also free plan if you want to start there. Why does matter so much? Because this let AI platform read customer reviews directly from your product data. Now AI understands real customer feedback, star rating, product trust, real buyer experience, and it all factored that what it recommended to shoppers. That's exactly PureEatiz started getting sales from ChatGPT and AI search. So here are 3 things you need to do this week. Set up your Shopify catalog, fix your JSON-LD schema and start collecting high quality product reviews. So make your Shopify products AI shoppable and getting sales from AI search. If you need help with this, reach out to Web Content. We build Shopify stores optimized to scale your business and improve AI search visibility. We recently optimized the PureEatiz store for AI search visibility and honestly, the results speak for themselves. So if you want to know how many of your products are actually showing up in AI search right now, comment below, increase our visibility. I will personally reach out to you. So if you get a value from this video, subscribe, like and comment.